Welcome. We'll see today the grade 10 one chapter called arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progressions. I already complete the lessons called quadratic equations, graphs and logarithm part 1. It's very useful lessons. I complete successfully by showing all the detailed solution of your book problem and some other from external questions. So those are newcomers, you will continue to this my video series. Please subscribe and press the bell sign. Okay, we'll see for the heading arithmetic progression. It's a very important question in exam, O-level papers. Without this, I say after short form AP. Short form AP. Without an AP problem, there are no exam papers for grade 10 second term paper, final term paper, and grade 11 O-level papers. Definite problem, compulsory arithmetic series. Later in grade 12, 11, you have the geometric series, progression or series, right? If you go to higher maths, we call the harmonic progressions. Okay, you learn already in the grade 8, especially 9 also, some series pattern, the number patterns. There we call number sequences or number patterns, right? Here we call arithmetic. For example, series 2, 4, 6, 8. This is an arithmetic series because increased by 2. Even numbers pattern. We called in grade 8 or 9 number patterns, even numbers. General term is 2n. Arithmetic series. Another one is 7. I add 5, 12. Add 5, 17. Add 5, 22. That's the mean. If you increase by added common number, that's called arithmetic series, right? 6. I subtract 2, 4. Subtract 2, 2. Subtract 2, 0. Subtract 2, minus 2. That also arithmetic series. Added by minus 2. Adding by minus 2 or subtract by 2. Arithmetic series, right? 100. 90, 80, arithmetic series. So I shows an example. If a number, if a pattern increased by a common number, that's we call arithmetic series. The common number we called here in grade 11 and 10, common difference. That's called D. Symbol is D. Common difference. Very first I say 2, 4, 6, 8. Here what is common difference? Find a successive difference. 2. Answer is 2. But there's a method. Any behind term, subtract its previous. When I take 6, then you subtract 4. But the answer 2. Common difference 2. Next one 7. 5 more, 5 more, 5 more. D is 5. Or the method is 12. Subtract 7. Take any behind, subtract its previous. And how this one? Got that. 4 subtract 6. And if you say 2, that's wrong. Behind, subtract 4 minus 6, what? Minus 2. Common difference minus 2. That's the first learning is this. How to find the common difference, right? And it's called everywhere increasing by a common number or decreasing by a common number. That is an arithmetic progression, arithmetic series. It's a short form here after AP. AP, right? Okay. So using this knowledge, we'll see something question. Your page 62. Page 62. If you see that revision problem, we can discuss that. If you refer, stop the video to bring your book and see page 62, your part 1, our local exam book here. Review problem exercise. Determine whether each of the following is an arithmetic progression. Is an arithmetic progression or not? As they ask, determine that series. So by comparing all the terms, and you can decide the answer yes or no. See first one. 9, 11, 13. Some warm-up problems. Some warm-up exercise before go to the harder next What is in a grade 10 lesson? Is it arithmetic series? Increase by 2. Increase by 2. Increase by 3 here. No. That's not AP. That's not an AP, right? Everywhere you should go same method. See second one, minus 8, comma minus 5, comma minus 1, comma 2. Some oral discussion, see whether yes or no. How it's add 5, minus 8, add 3. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3 is what? Minus 2, but here minus 5. Not in order, see, not in order, no any regular ways, regular order, pattern, no. Therefore, this is not an AP, not an arithmetic progression, right? How the next one, third part, 2.5, comma 2.55, comma 2.555. It's very clear, you can see. Not in order, that's some different patterns, successive difference. Find the common difference, different answer. It won't come same solution, is it? Therefore, no. It's also no, right? Not an answer, not an arithmetic series. Fourth one, 5.5, comma 5 of 3 over 4, comma 6, comma 6.5. How this? Here what? Quarter more, no? 5.5, 5 3/4 means quarter, more quarter. Here quarter more, but here half more, 6.5. Therefore, not everywhere the same differences. Therefore, no any arithmetic series. That is no, right? And the fifth one, 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma. How this one? Is some different series. No, one oscillates. We call oscillation. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So not our syllabus, not our arithmetic series, right? That's no. The same, the second question they ask, find the common difference. You can work that one. Find the common difference. Take the any your wish back term, subtract its previous. 12, 17, 22. Answer is 5. Common difference 5. 10, comma 6, comma 2. What happened? Reduce and decrease by 6 subtract 10 or 2 subtract 6 minus 4. I hope you can complete them. I got the major part of what we need for the grade 10 type, right? Okay, there's few formula to learn in arithmetic series. If you know the formula, we can apply in the questions that formula. That you learn something indirectly in grade 9. The questions come grade 9, you learn already, you recollect that. Find the general term of a pattern. Find the general term of a pattern. Or find the nth term of a pattern that you learn. Here we use that formula for any series, any arithmetic series, just general formula. Using that we can do the questions, right? Okay, that yes, I can tell them. So write this, nth term of an AP, nth term of an AP, I say short form AP, arithmetic progression, nth term of an AP. Okay. So there's a pattern of the AP, right? If I take first term is A, in English alphabet A is the first. So like here A is the first. Now I add A by D. A and D added, but don't say AD, don't say AD. No, then what? A plus D. A plus D. Again, A plus D add another D. What is that? A plus 2D, right? D and the D, 2D. A plus 2D. Add another D. A plus 3D. Identify the series. A plus 4D, A plus 5D and so on. First term is A. Second term is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. 10th term is what? A plus 9D. See that? 100th term comes out. A plus, don't say 100D, 99D. 11th term is what? A plus 10th d, one less. Therefore, the nth term like this, Tn equal, symbolic form, symbol for notation, Tn, right? Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into d. Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into d, right? 11th term, A plus 10d. 100th term, A plus 100 minus 1 into d, that is 99d. 7th term, A plus 7 minus 1, 6d, like that. Is the nth term formula, right? And right below where I can list this all term means Tn. What is Tn stands for? Nth term. Tn stands for nth term. T10 means 10th term. T6, 7th term. T5, 5th term. This T20, this cricket match, that is ball bat cricket match. T20 here, T like this 20th term. In that cricket match we won't write like that, we write like this. Here don't write this, like this. And Tn is nth term, right? And write A is first term, right? That first term, A is first term or initial term, right? Next, what is D, no? D as I mentioned earlier, what is D, right? That common difference. D is common difference, right? Common difference. And N, the small n. What is N? Number of terms. Number of terms, right? N is number of terms. Tn is differ, N is differ, don't confuse, right? Tn is nth term, N means number of terms. So in this equation 1, 2, 3, 4 terms available. In this formula 4 terms available. There are most questions. They will provide you any 3. They ask the 4th one. We'll see the question. Okay, now take the page 67. Page 67 show the questions, answers of that. Or those don't have the book, you can write this. Find the first 5 terms. Find the first question. Find the first 5 terms of the AP. Find the first 5 terms of the AP's arithmetic series or progressions for each of the following situations. For each of the following situations. It's a basic question, right? We start from the basic whatever, then go to the advanced problems. From the other video I'll show more. It's very long chapter, very important chapter, like a graph. Graph is compulsory in any exam, still your levels. Same as this arithmetic series. Oh, see what is question meaning? They say, write the 5 numbers, 5 terms for this given provides data. So how the first part, A part, in an arithmetic series, first term is 5, okay? Common difference is 2. First term is 5, increased by 2. Then write the series, the primary work. What is that? 5, increased by 2. 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. You can write many 5 billion terms. They ask only 5. So follow same method. Second part, A equal minus 3, B equal 4, common difference 4. Then increase by 4. First term is minus 3, so write that. Minus 3, increase by 4. What is minus 3? Add 4. What is this? Plus 1. 1 add 4. What is that? 5. 5 add 4. 9. 9 add 4. 13. And so on. See this, right? Next one. 4.5 is the first term. Increase by 2.5. 2.5. So write that. 4.5, 2.5 is what? 4.57. 7 comma 2.5 at that 9.5, 9.5 2.5 at that 10 12, 12 2.5 14.5 and so on, right? So stop the video, try a couple of them, same idea, try it. Stop the video, pause the video and complete it, remaining A, B, C, D, E part. D part, 10 quarter, this is A equal 10 quarter, common difference is minus half. How that? First term 10 quarter. If the common difference comes minus, you subtract, deduct from that value. So 10 quarter minus half is what? What is that? 9 3/4 is it? You not need very biggest idea of the fraction adding subtract. You think your memory, that common sense. 10 quarter deduct by a half. 9 3/4, okay. Again deduct by half that. 9 quarter, is it? Okay that. Again deduct that half. What is that? 8 3/4. Deduct by half. 8 quarter. And so on. Simple thing. Last one, that is problem E. Okay, first term is 2x. First term is 2x, common difference x plus 3. So write the 5 terms, write the 5 numbers in order. So 2x increase by x plus 3. Add x plus 3. With the 2x, what happened at the x plus 3? 2x, 1x, 3x and a 3 and an additional 3. You can't say 6x, right? Next one, 3x plus 3, add x plus 3. What happened? X and 3x, 4x, 3 and 3, 6. 4x plus 6. Next one, 4x plus 6, add another x plus 3. What is that? 5x plus 9. 5x plus 9. Other one is what? 6x plus 12. Next one, 7x plus 15. You can write anything. They ask only 5 terms, right? Okay, so I hope you can do this such a problem, such type questions, right? Now we go to the main other part. Second type question. There are various types of problem here. Find the indicated term of each of the following APs. The newcomers who don't have the book can write the question. Find the indicated term of each of the following APs, arithmetic series. 13, first question for A part, comma 15, comma 17, and they indicates find the 10th term. Find the 10th term. So you can't act like a primary class. That means increase 13, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Therefore, you can catch the answer 10th term. So no marks actually. That is not grade 10 type syllabus. Okay, see the first question that I explained properly. In every time using calculating the arithmetic series problem, you don't miss to write the first term 13 and the common difference. How the common difference? Successive subtract. 15 subtract 13. Okay, I said mentioned earlier. So what is that? 2. Common difference 2. Now you write nth term formula because they ask find the 10th term. Write the nth term formula. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Always write the formula and follow the answer hereafter. Now substitute. We need the question 10th term, T10, right? T10, n for 10 equal, what is a? 13, n for 10 minus 1, common difference 2. That's all. Now simplify, get the answer. That's all that grade 10 syllabus. Hereafter your primary work, grade 8, 9 or 7, simplification. So what is that? Here 10 minus 1, 9, multiple 2. 13 plus 9, 22, double 44. If you go like this, 10th term is 44. But that is wrong. I am showing that general common error, international errors those. Because of why? Multiplication first. Multiplication first, don't go order, Bodma's rule, right? So 13 plus 18. So what is that? 8, 3, 11, 31. So 10th term is 31, right? If you have doubt, check increase by 2 and catch the answer. See, both comes the same. The B part, 40, 38, 36, and fast find the 21st term. First show like this symbolic form. Find the 21st term. Stop the video, try your own, same method. It's the brief solution, follow every time. This pattern, write the A, write the D, write the nth term formula, hence substitute. So what is A is 40, first term is 40. Initial term is 40. Let's find the common difference. What is D equal? Successive subtract. That is 38 minus 40, is it? Take any behind back term, subtract its previous, right? So what is that? Minus 2. Common difference minus 2. If you miss, if you say 2, you are wrong. You have to be careful, properly show. Now write the nth term formula. Then only you will form with the family with the formula. Don't miss the formula. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Now apply 21st term, T21. T21 equal a for 40 plus n for 21, okay, minus 1, d4 minus 2. Now simplify this. Now simplify, get the answer. There's a value. So what is that? 40 plus 21 minus 1, 20 times minus 2. Okay. So what is that? 40, important, always multiplication first. Don't go in the order. Follow the Bodma's order. So plus into minus, multiplication minus, okay. 20 times 2, 40. So what the answer? 0. Can be. 0 also a number, is a term. Because it's reducing, decreasing order. Therefore 0 is the position in the 21st term. Next C part, minus 2, comma minus 7, comma minus 12, and find the 15th term. Find the 15th term, the same method you can work it. So follow that procedure. First term, minus 2. What is common difference? D, subtract. Minus 7, subtract minus 2, successive difference. Follow the order, see bracket form. Behind, subtract the previous. Both the minus 30, minus 12, divide the minus, subtract the 7, subtract. So what is that? Minus 7, minus minus plus 2. What is that? What is minus 7 plus 2? If you say 5, wrong. Sometimes you say 14 also, some students say 14. I don't know how that. What is that? Minus 5. Common difference minus 5. Okay. Then write the nth term formula. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. The question is find the 15th term. Put n for 15. T 15. Okay. A for minus 2 plus n for 15 minus 1 common difference minus 5. Now simplify this. Minus 2 15 minus 1 14 into minus 5. Okay. So what is that? Minus 2 plus into minus minus multiple 70. What is it? Minus 2 minus 7. Somebody say plus 72. Somebody say different solution. But the answer minus 72. The vector numbers are important. If you miss the grade 8 plus minus addition problem, it becomes difficult task, right? So complete properly. Okay, next we see in order that problem D. Minus 3, comma 2, comma 7. Find the 20th term, right? T20, see T20. Find the 20th term. So follow the order. First term minus 3. First term minus 3. Common difference. Common difference, successive subtract. Then I take the 7, subtract 2. That's easy, no? If you're feeling difficult, subtract 2 and minus 3, you avoid that, neglect that. Take 7 and 2, subtract. Simple. Answer is 5. Common difference 5. Then write the number pattern nth term Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so question 20th term, so T20. T as a base 20 here. A4 minus 3, N4 20 minus 1, common difference 5. Simplify. What is that? Minus 3 plus 19 times 5. So what is that? Minus 3 plus multiple 95. So the answer, what is that? Positive 92. If you go in order, it becomes 92 as 20th term. 20th term is 92, right? Next, the decimal also important. 6.5, comma 8, comma 9.5. Find the 12th term. Okay, find the 12th term. 12th term. So what is that? What is first term? 6.5. 6.5. Okay. What is common difference? What is D? 9.5 subtract 8. Or 8 subtract 6.5. What is that? 1.5. This series increased by 1.5. Increased by 1.5. Now write the nth term formula. Tn equal a plus n minus into d. So I hope you are familiar with this formula now by heart. Don't miss that till your levels and year after some advanced mathematics. We use this formula. So what is that? 12th term T12. T12 A4 6.5 plus N4 12 minus 1 common difference 1.5. Is it? Now solve your, use the primary knowledge and get the answer. .5 plus 11 into 1.5. So 6.5. What is 11 times 1.5? Oh, that somebody is still there in the grade 10, grade 11 classes. They don't know how to multiple decimal. Like this. But better I show 1.5 up. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 5, 1 times 1. 1 place. 16.5 is it? 16.5, right? So what is the addition? 16.5, 0.5, 17, 23. Is it? Check that. 23 is the answer in order. 12th term, right? I show next also. Which one I can? Problem F. Three quarter, comma 3.5, comma 3 of 3/4. Find the 11th term. So whole numbers are you can go. Fractions, something you feel very highly difficult, you feel like that. Improve that, which is difficult. We work many problem on that. Become easy then. So here we find the 11th term, right? 11th term. Any term we can calculate. So what is that? First term is 3/4. Common different is 3/2, 3.5. Subtract 3/4, no doubt. Quarter. Okay. Now write the nth term formula. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 d. Question is find the 11th term, right? T11. A equal 3/1/4 plus n4/11 common difference quarter. Then simplify. We can change this otherwise what 3/4 11 minus 1 10 into 1/4. Okay. Now follow your additions. You learn from grade 6. The fractions comes from grade 6. Grade 5 also I think. Addition multiple. What is this mixed fraction? 13/4. 10/4 multiple 1 times 10, 10. Therefore 23/4. So give the mixed fraction. For 23, 4 how many times? 5 times it. 3 balance. 5 of 3/4. Okay, 5 of 3/4 is the 11th term. Is it okay? Right. This is the way today I shown you how to find the common difference of arithmetic series and write the formula for nth term and finding the any term of a given pattern, right? That's the main part. One of the question in the exam, it comes several parts. One of these. So practice the next. I'll show some more problem. So this the platform is good platform to show through the YouTube channel. So many students asked to start a Zoom technology or the Google Classrooms. That is only limited, mean you can't revise once again, you can't watch again. I think only the durations are given between 2 to 4. Where everybody should be participate in the classroom, Google Classroom or Zoom activities. So many platforms available. So it's the easy platform through YouTube's because of anytime you can refer this video. Any doubts you can view again, any problem, how I explain or teacher explain how. Therefore follow this, take full opportunity of this video series. Only thing data problem. Every Zoom or the Google, everything you need a powerful Wi-Fi or mobile data. Therefore this best platform I think so. Therefore take full opportunity. The newcomers subscribe and contact with me. I will produce a lot of video series for grade 9, grade 10 and 11 and especially for adult combined maths grade 2022 batch. I start new 2021 and 2020 this year. There is separate YouTube channel that is under Bright Academic Andy. If anybody, they can go to there, also your brothers, sisters, you can give information about that. Okay, we'll see next video. I'll show some more new problems on your book and the other.